Hi everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Elvio Rodrigues, and today I will present a little about our summary presented on 13 International Workshop on Advanced in Cleaner Production. The authors are uh, Ireniza Anás, Odovaldo Vendrameto, Giancarlo Medeiros Pereira, and I, Elvio Adorno Quimate Rodrigues. Our research is about financing green innovations and exploratory reflection on corporate strategies. First, we will talk about the urgency of green innovation. So, the global demand for sustainable solutions is rising rapidly, and companies are shifting strategies toward green innovation. This is very important to market because it's the opportunity to improve the the reputation of companies and to contribute for the CO2 emissions reduction in the world. In this case, we have a image from reports from 2022 talking about the scenarios of annual CO2 emissions of 2020, exposure to air pollution with fine particulate matter from 2017, nitrous oxide emissions from 2018, methane emissions from 2018. Looking for this research, we tried to define what is the green innovation. Looking for many other authors, we can say that the innovations are based on solutions that benefit the companies and the environment. In previous findings indicate that technological innovations promote the green growth. This is the definition from K.H. Wang et al. 2021. For Chang et al., new operations process or eco-friendly products can enhance the company's environment performance. For Li et al., industrial robots promote green technology innovations. And of J. Wang et al., the digital transformation in manufacturing non-high tech and non-heavy pollution industries has a more robust green total factor productivity improvement effect. And in here we have an image of the Lee et al. that in this work uh, they develop a discuss about how the automatic the industrial robot applications can contribute to reduce of CO2 emissions. And it's very interesting work that mentioned about the two dimensions heterogeneity, moderation mechanisms, and mediating mechanisms that with other actions contribute to green technology innovation in manufacturing. Considering the green innovation and the ESG, the environment, sustainable, and governance integration, we can consider that the green innovation drives ESG performance and attracts responsible investments that contribute for image of the companies, for reputations of the society, of the state, and the governors, right? In this case, we mentioned Arfan et al. That made these works where we can see at the left picture, we have the green innovations created in China. In the right picture, we have the green finance initiatives in the same territory. We can see that some regions has the green finance return, but is incentivized by the green innovations. But other regions, as other regions like Hong Kong, Guangdong, Jiangsu, Hanoi, are regions that still need corrected development to return a green finance achievements, right? This is the very interesting work that we are based to extract insights and the learnings of this project. The benefits of green innovations, we discovered that one benefit is the reduced of environmental impact and improve the resource efficiency, enhanced brand reputation, customer loyalty, profitability, and the others. This is show to us that the combination of technology, responsibility, and ESG policies in the companies contribute to more results in the market of the return of ESG, of the green innovations, and in consequence of the green finance, right? This is a work of Feng et al. Looking for the innovations in activities from 2011 until 2019. Looking in the literature, we discovered that the financing green innovation has established models. First, we can mention securing funding for research, development, and implementation. And other options are green bonds, sustainable loans, equity investments in green projects, and government incentives and subsidies. In the work of the Singh et al., we can see that the a small flow chart that in instance show to us the pressure of the stakeholders and in consequence the green dynamic capabilities that the create the green innovations and result in benefits or in the firm performance of the companies, considering the financial performance and the market and the image performance, right? Investors and green innovation is growing interest in ESG investments and green innovation as a key factor in investment decisions. This is the learnings that we extract in your research, and it can be confirmed in the Pashakar works from 2024. Until we still have the obstacles to green finance, and high initial cost of green technologies was identified as a first obstacle. Uncertainty and risk associated with innovation, lack of awareness and understanding of green finance are other obstacles that we found in this research. Uh, in Kahupi et al. Mentioned a survey about the challenge for sustainable products normalized by person, right? In this case, we have the percentage of considering investors, entrepreneurs, customers, and academics and not NGO representatives. Considering the policy and regulation, government policies promoting green innovation, how we found in this work, the incentives and subsidies for sustainable projects, and create enabling environment for green innovation. She et al. Has a work mentioning the hypothesis that can support just to visualize the scenarios, right? The hypothesis of the environment performance and the hypothesis considering environment performance with financial performance and environment performance, financial performance, mentioning green process innovation, ownership of the company, and other variables that is mentioned in the work. Consider Sachin and Rajesh's, we discovered the trends in green finance. In here is a regression, a mathematical regression that can show to us that the return of assets and the return of equity of the company are more linked with the ESG combinations, ESG controversies, and the ESG as a total view. Consider the environment, the trends are related to jobs mentioning the emissions, environment, and more effectively of research. For social or ESG controversies, it still has a lot of discussions mentioning community, human rights, produce workforce, and for ESG, the governance considering the customer services strategies, management, and the policy front of the shareholders. Embracing a sustainable future, green innovation is a crucial driver of sustainable development. Corporate finance playing a key role in the transition. Is another result of the Kahoot et al. Survey that shows to us how the investors, entrepreneurs, customers, and academics are motivated, are has a sustainability openings and familiarity, and is facing the sustainability challenges, right? Continuing this work, we understood that the key research questions is keep the research, equip the works with the companies, with the market, with the all the stakeholders involved in these questions. That which funding mechanisms are most effective for different types of green innovations, and how can companies effectively secure financing for sustainable projects in high pollution. This is opportunity for future works that we would like to share and mention in here in this presentation, right? This is the small presentation of our study. Thank you for the opportunity. And this is my mail. See you later.